Hello, I'm Aley Baracat, and I'm a Creative Technologist at ProtoPie. And this is one of the prototypes we have here in IAA. And it's showing the integration between ProtoPie and game engines. And specifically, we're using Unity as a game engine here. So we developed a VR experience where someone can create a 3D environment, and they design all the user interfaces inside of ProtoPie, and you can integrate these interfaces with Unity. So here the panel is designed using ProtoPie, and you can change the car colors using the VR controls. So Matt, can you try to go inside the car? There is a button that makes you do that. And now we're moved inside the car. Can you look around? There are different screens. The middle one shows you like a power button. So if you press on the power, it will let you see like the speedometer and the main central display. Yeah, now it's working. The middle display also you can play music and you can have the map box. So it makes you really see like and imagine and be immersed in an environment.